You guys are going to put these in my... I'm going to put... Just going to tanggal this on my... Now I'm going to put this on my... I can finally breathe.